Hey guys, welcome to box break number 70 with SRTBULL1978. This is for eBay auctions ending tonight, August 10th, about 10 minutes ago. So currently on the screen you're looking at tonight's list of winners. And if it's too blurry for you or you can't really see the names or whatever, be sure to click down on the bottom right hand side to watch this in high def. You are being recorded in high def. Alright, so there you go, that's good for that. And here is box 70. Box 70 and serial number 163217958. Hopefully that corresponds with the description in the in the description for the auction. There we go. Put your thoughts together, man. There you go. And we don't need to know what song I'm listening to, we need to know what the day is. There we go. So 9/11, Friday, August 10th. And away we go. So like I said on, I think it was last night's video or the night before or whatever, this is the last box out of this case. And then we're going to start, well I guess the listings will start going up on Monday for the next case. We're going to do another case of SP Authentic because I like it. Keep doing it till I can't get any more. But I want to do some kind of a bonus program or something like that for you guys. I need to, you know, sweeten the pot a little bit better for you guys. So I was thinking doing something like, you know, if you win 5 teams or whatever, you get a bonus. If you win 10 teams, you get a bonus. You know, stuff like that. I'm just looking for some suggestions to see what you guys think. Just shoot me an email or post comments on YouTube. Either way, whatever. Just give me your thoughts. I want to know what you guys are thinking. What you guys would like to see for bonuses. And yeah, so we'll see what happens with that, and we'll take it from there. I also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 clear boxes full of 11-12 SP Authentic sets and 6 clear cases of 11-12 complete sets. So if you guys want any of those, let me know. I'll just show you what I'm talking about. Clear case 1 through 150. That's 11-12, and this is 10-11. Same thing. Pretty nice setup. But yeah, if you guys want those, let me know. I've got, like I said, I've got 10 of the 10-11s and 6 of the 11-12s. In other words, I have lots. SP Essentials, Yarmer Yager, Philadelphia Flyers. First hit for tonight. The Nuge. Oops. Oh, we just about missed it there. Future Watch Auto for Jake Gardner. Toronto Maple Leafs. Numbered 767 out of 999. And another Future Watch Auto for Gustav Nyquist. Numbered 169 out of 999 for Detroit Red Wings. effects, Jonathan Blum. Bloom. I'm not sure. I've heard it said both ways. Pretty uneventful box this time. Sign of the Times for Keith Owley. Another one for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Future Watch Auto. Again for the Toronto Maple Leafs, numbered 592 out of 999. Joe Colburn. That's is that 3 hits for Toronto? I think it is. So that's 3 autographs, 1 holo effects, and did we get a Sign of the Times in there yet? I don't think so. So there's the other holo effects for Tim Erickson, New York Rangers. SP Essentials, Mr. Taylor Hall for the Edmonton Oilers. Three to go. Future Watch, no auto for Roman Josi, 335 out of 999. So that's it. That's the end of box 70. So I'm going to do a secondary video here. It'll be the next link in the email that you guys get from me. It's just going to go over all of the extended rookies out of this box. And yeah, so just as a reminder, next week we'll be starting on the next case. Hopefully, not that this case was disappointing, but definitely looking for maybe some bigger hits. I would say the biggest hit out of this one was probably the Sean Couturier limited auto we got a couple of boxes ago. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think as far as bonuses go. I want to start something. I want to, you know, make it a little bit better for you guys or whatever. But yeah, so in the meantime, check out the next video going over the extended rookies, and then we'll see you in about a week or so, a little bit more than a week. Thanks a lot, guys.